go see therapists, and their therapists don't respond to anything they say. They just say, "Oh wow, that must be really hard. Oh my gosh, you went through that? Your parents don't support you at all? That must be so difficult. I can't even imagine going through that." Did he actually say anything? No. But that conversation can heal a person for the rest of his life. How is that possible? Because he created a vacated space for him. Because prior to that, he never felt known. That person never felt heard. That no matter how much he spoke, no matter how much he didn't speak, no matter how much he acted, no matter how much he didn't act, until that point, nobody has ever created a space for that existence, for that person. But when the therapist is not trying to interject himself, which is what they teach you as a therapist, do not interject yourself. Just make a space to listen. And they don't realize that they're connecting to the deepest secrets of Kabbalah. This primordial existence. And just as a practical example, for men and for women, that when your partner is telling you that they're having an issue, and you are quick to provide a solution, they don't really usually want a solution. They just want you to make a space for them. Just to sit and listen and say, "I hear you, that sounds really hard." That's usually what people want.
לא ינום ולא יישן